Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll get a deeper understanding of your annuity clients via the Annuity Insights. NIC highlights maturing contracts and other key events so that you can proactively engage and deliver valuable advice to your clients. If you know already how to access the Life Insights screen, then good news. Accessing your Annuity Insights is just as easy. When clicking on the Insights button on the left-hand navigation, click on the Annuities button. This will allow you to check out your annuity insights and breakdowns, such as your contract values, contract statuses, your new in-force contracts, any anniversaries, even breakdowns for variable annuity, fixed annuity, and fixed indexed annuity. Remember that you can click on any of the blue numbers that you see on your screen to be taken directly to a list of those contracts, so you can find exactly what you need. Overall, the Annuity Insights in NIC lets you track key events and contract details, helping you engage clients proactively and provide timely advice. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.